Waiting for test track, and we have a competition going of who can build.
She said she's gonna build a wooden car.
Who can design the best car?
Mine's gonna be better because I know how to make a car. She doesn't.
Yeah, but she has mommy.
No, she doesn't. I'm gonna go with her.
Who's gonna win?
Mommy's a grown-up, so we might. He is too. Oh yeah, Daddy might. You and Daddy might.
All right, watch out. The doors are about to open. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Okay, come here. We're on number 3 or number 2. We're on number 2. All right. Yeah, you guys. Oh wait, we're number 1. Just kidding. All right, Hadley. Scanned in. We want it in English. Let's see. Ooh, okay. What do we want? I think this is going to be best, like, because the air, the wind can go off of it. Why don't you touch it? Okay. All right, let's see. We want to draw the shape of our car. Why don't we do... Okay, let's start here. Okay. Optimize. Yep. Okay, this line will make a great vehicle. Me and Hadley's, Daddy and Hayden's, and Grandma and Grandpa's. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hold my hand. Do you think our car's gonna win? All right, we're about to get on.
They're going down there.
They're going down. You're going down.
Actually, no.
You're going down.
Ours way better than yours.
After, well, we'll see whenever we test it. All right, here we go. About to get on, Hadley. They're going down. They're going down.
Actually, no, we have to work.
Says buckle up, we have to scan our band. Here we go, test track time.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
It's on
Connecting to OnStar. SIM card performance data acquired.
And seeing how we do if there's ice.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Oh, let's see.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
We're third. We lost that one, Hadley.
Scanning SIM
Grandma,
card for
Grandpa was
optimal
third.
eco efficiency.
We lost capability.
Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress.
Hey, we were
Calculating total
We won that one, Hadley. We won efficiency.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
I was second.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Here we go.
I like this.
Oh, hello, hello. Was that too scary for you, Hadley? It was. You didn't even scream.
It's fun.
Let's see.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
That wasn't even our car.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how
Well,
your Chevrolet custom
we don't
concept
know.
vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark.
Boo, we didn't even get to see the power.
I know, yeah.
That wasn't our cars. Okay, results are in. Grandma and Grandpa are the winners at 207. Hadley and I got second with 202. And Hayden and Daddy only got 200. It was close race. Close race. Grandma and Grandpa overall winners. Oh my gosh. I keep thinking I'm recording and then I'm really not. So. Hey, let's go take our pictures in some of these. What? What? Daddy's gonna go pick out his new truck. Okay, pretend to drive it.
The other one's your car.
Chevy has all these cars out here you can check out, get in.
You're the rider.
I'm the rider.
It's right here.
Okay, sit in. Oh. Okay. Hadley's gonna drive me around. This is the kind of car Mommy has.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It looks a little different.
Because of this.
Yeah. It's a different model.